Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz, this is my channel Toiletterian. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually very good value for money. They smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. Today I have, yes, this is the latest Bentley, and you guys know I'm a big fan of Bentley brand. I almost have about 6, I think, or 7 of them. I love them all. They they make good fragrances, especially for the price. Again, the ratio for what you pay and what you get is very, very good. So today, a few days ago, I saw this one and I had to get it, and I see how it smells, how it goes, and things like that. So this one is called another Bentley Momentum line. They had 3 of them, the Bentley Momentum Intense, and then Momentum Ultimate, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And now we have Momentum Unbreakable. Yes, and this is a 2021 release. It's not widely spread. You can find it here and there, but for some reason it wasn't easy to find, but I found it eventually, and let's see how it goes. So as you can see, it's another Bentley Momentum box. Very, very nice, nothing special, but the attention to detail is quite nice. Sorry about the noise when you do unboxing, you can't do anything about it. So it's a almost black box. I think it's a very dark grey actually, and as you see, the attention to detail is quite nice, which is the most important thing, is protecting the bottle well. Okay, and wow, look at the bottle. The bottles are always good in Bentley range because they are representing car manufacturing, especially Bentley, which is high-end car manufacturing. So they have to pay attention to details because this is what they're known for. And as you can tell, it's very, very pretty bottle, very heavy. Attention to details is beautiful. It's got like some sort of matte, or they're trying to emulate the feel of, I think, some sort of leather or something like that. But anyway, but I'm sure it's not real, but it's very nice. And the back is like a metallic feel to it. The cap is plastic, but it's quite it's got a weight to it, and the atomizer is black. And let's see how it goes. Very good atomizer. They always make good atomizers with Bentley. Okay, so Bentley Momentum Unbreakable, this is the latest release, and wow, it's filling the room. Ooh, smells good. Alright, here we go, first sniff. Okay, it's very masculine. Wow, that is a nice surprise. I thought it was going to be a very modern version. Okay, so right now it's very citrusy. I can feel some sort of tarty citrus. It's a little bit on the bitter side. Maybe it's orange. So it's like a bitter orange, or maybe bitter mandarin, or bitter lemon, something like that. But opens very beautifully. This is gorgeous opening. For opening, I'll give it 10 out of 10. This is beautiful. It's very masculine. It's very citrusy. It's very zingy. I won't say it's very happy, but it's a little bit on the masculine side, so it's a little bit on the serious side. Okay, I can feel something in the background like florals, but the florals are maybe they're quite aromatic. Maybe it's a lavender in here, and also maybe there is some sort of rose, but I can't feel the rose for now. But it's quite floral, so the backbone is floral. So very citrus in the beginning, and it's quite a little bit on the bitter side. It's not very sweet. It's got a tiny bit of sweetness to it right now, but not, wow, it's very masculine. Okay, so first thing it hits you is bang, is masculine, and is similar to my mustache, so it's a very very good fragrance with, you know, somebody like me having a mustache. Okay, and it's got a backbone, a woody backbone. So right now it's quite woody, and the woodiness is like something like quite earthy as well, giving a tiny bit of earthiness, tiny bit of woodiness, and it's a little bit of on the herbal and green side as well. But the blend is such a beautiful blend. It's done to very very well done. Okay, it's very well blended. It's nothing is shouting out. Actually it's quite hard to pick up notes. I'm just going with the feeling, because you know sometimes, you know, when these things comes with experience. So when you smell something, okay, I don't smell, for example, exactly what's in there, but I can feel something that it reminds me of. For example, it's quite orangey in the beginning, quite floral, and also backbone is quite woody. So these three are at the moment our biggest player for the first impression and the first sniff. But as I said, it's quite masculine. It's not. It doesn't remind me of anything maybe classical, but it hints at it. Okay, so it's hinting classic, but it's not classic in the meantime. It's quite modern, but it's hinting classic. And the classicness, because of that masculinity of it, it reminds me of those quite classical fragrances. Wow, so it's got something like a herbal feel to it, and also it's quite aromatic. So it's very it's tiny bit of spiciness in there on the line. As I said, it's quite difficult to pick up notes. I'm just going with my nose, with my experience. So I'm just describing what I'm feeling right now. But very clean in the same time. A tiny bit of dirtiness in there, but it's quite clean. It's very masculine. It's quite fresh, but it's not fresh in the same time, because it's got some tiny bit of dirtiness in there. It's got a little bit of earthiness in there. It's got the woody backbone is quite woody, and the woods are quite, you know, strong at the moment. But overall, what an opening! Wow, beautiful. Bentley, they never disappoint me anyway. I'm a big fan, as I said in the beginning. They always come up with beautiful fragrances. I'm not sure if this is inspired by something, or they copying something. I don't know, because to me, for right now, it's quite unique. Again, it reminds me of some classics, half of it, and half of it is quite modern, clean, quite gentleman-like. It's quite masculine, gentleman-like, and also it's quite on the urban side as well. Okay, so it's got like an urban feel to it, but some masculinity as well. What a beautiful fragrance. Very very nice. So I will let you know in the next video the development and the longevity and things like that. But right now, for this opening, 10 out of 10. Gorgeous, beautiful, up my alley. Anyway, I'm a middle-aged man. This is up my alley. It's quite masculine. It's quite a little bit on the classical side, and also a little bit modern as well. So it's like a mixture of a few things. But for right now, I'm very very happy with it. Beautiful opening. Okay, so it's changing a tiny bit now. It's changing to something greener in the background. So it looks like it's going to be a little bit greener. But again, I'll let you know in the next video. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me as always. If you like this video, if you find it useful, if you find it entertaining, if you find it informative, thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share it with others, and hit that bell icon. You will get notified when I upload video in the future. Thank you very much as always, and I see you later. Bye bye bye.